You're being charged with the offense of criminal mischief, $2,500 to $30,000. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Calling 2023 CR 3139, State of Texas versus Cynthia Nicole Cabel. Should I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell to the state.
Defense. All right, and are you Miss Cabel?
Yes.
Am I pronouncing your last name right?
Yes.
Thank you. The double L's always throw me off. Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have them.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Cabel, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Well, Your Honor, there should also be, we filed a written motion to amend to add account to criminal mischief.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Cabel, do you understand that the state is asking that the indictment be amended to add a count two, which is a criminal mischief count? Did you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that's a substantive change to the indictment?
Yes.
And did you understand your attorney has 10 days to prepare for trial with that substantive change? Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed?
Yes, sir.
And defense, do you still wish to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then the court will sign the motion to amend the indictment. Ms. Cabel, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand you're being charged with the offense of criminal mischief, $2,500 to $30,000? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, sir.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? Court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has them.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Cabel, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived a right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count two, criminal mischief. They're recommending deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution, if any, to Ernest Ramirez. No contact with Ernest Ramirez, his residence or place of employment. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your
State?
Yes.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years, 200 hours community service restitution, TAP evaluation, follow recommendations of TAP, and a MIC referral. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to count two of the amended indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No, sir.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, we offer State's Exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments. State, has the complainant been contacted?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt. Are we pleading, proceeding with sentencing?
If the court would allow us, yes, please.
All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, this is her first ever criminal offense. She was going through a very bad time, with mental health breakdown, and she's doing much better. She's compliant on her medications. She's doing very well, Judge. She's working again.
All right. Ms. Cabello, how long had you known Mr. Ramirez?
7 years.
Did y'all ever live together?
No, Your Honor.
Do y'all have any children together?
No, Your Honor. We had keys to each other's houses and stayed with each other, but never officially lived together. And that was for 5 years.
All right. And how old are you?
39,
And how old is he?
43.
Do y'all have any property together?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And do you have a mental health diagnosis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Multiple.
And what is it?
I have multiple. I've got anxiety, major depressive disorder, adjustment disorder, PTSD, personality disorder.
And are you seeing a doctor?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a weekly therapy sessions.
And who is your doctor?
It just changed. His name is Michael something. I'd have to check on my phone.
All right.
She's treating through the UT health system.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication, restitution, if any, to Ernest Ramirez. No contact with Ernest Ramirez or his residence or employment. So if you see him walking down the street, you need to cross the street, go back the other way. You understand? Zero contact. As far as this court is concerned, your relationship is over with him. If you have contact with him, you're looking at potentially going to prison, the state jail facility, for 2 years. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if I may clarify one issue in regards to the place of employment. He is an officer with the UT Health Science Center Police Force. She used to be a dispatcher there. She is treating through the UT Health Science Center and has been for like over 10 years. Is that right?
Yes.
And her daughter is also treating at the same, through the same.
I mean, she'll allow to be there for treatment, but if it's not her day for treatment, she's not to be there.
I just wanted to clarify that so the court would know that she will be going there for treatment. She doesn't go to the police department or anything like that, but there's no way to tell where he will be on any given day at any given time.
All right. So are you employed or no?
I'm employed now. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors.
I work in a pediatrician office,
Doing what?
Front desk.
the front desk.
Oh, see, when I say no employment as a home health care with minors, what I mean by that is, yes, it's okay for you to check them in, but you're not to watch them. You're not to act as a daycare. You're not to be one-on-one with them.
Yes.
So when their parents bring them in, you're just signing them in. You're not giving them shots or anything of that nature. You understand?
Yes.
All right. Are there any drug issues?
No, Your Honor, not at all. It's all prescribed medications.
Here's where the courtroom gets real. Judge Boyd is laying out strict rules for probation while balancing mental health treatment. Notice how the court is making sure she continues therapy, follows sober support meetings, and completes 200 hours of community service. This isn't just punishment. It's a roadmap to rebuilding her life. What do you think, fair chance at reform or overbearing oversight INT?
All right. Probation, we'll still do a TAP evaluation. If they recommend inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment
Thank you.
and sober support meetings. And we'll do a MIC referral. 200 hours of community service restitution. She is to continue with mental health treatment through her provider. And the exception to contact with the complainant is only if she has a medical appointment. Since they're both at the same location. But even if you have a medical appointment, I don't see how you would have contact with him.
It happened once where they were both on the same floor at one of the facilities and they crossed each other. They did not speak.
Okay. Probation, is there anything else she needs? We'll do field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. And probation, if everything is fine after that, you can do field visits as you see fit. And there'll be regular reporting, of course, by Zoom or in person. And regular UAs. And with the UAs, if you want to do that by a patch, you can. I think the patch is probably going to come up positive depending on what medication she's on.
She's on a number of them.
So just make sure that you give probation all of your prescription medications so they'll know.
Yes, sir.
Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful? All right, I'm going to show you.
And now, a crucial legal moment. The court goes over her right to appeal. By signing the plea bargain, she's knowingly waiving it. This is a huge deal. Many viewers don't realize how much power is exchanged in these agreements. It's a reminder. Plea bargains can resolve cases quickly, but they come with serious trade-offs. Would you waive your right to appeal for a lighter sentence?
What's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. So I'm very serious about you having no contact with him outside of if you all accidentally bump into each other when you're have your medical appointments.
Yes, sir.
I understand. Sometimes people get caught up in love. Sometimes you're in a relationship and people are like, I don't want you. And then it's like, okay, let's try this again. I want you now. This relationship is over. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. And this court communication is key. So if there's an issue, let probation know. If you feel as though probation is not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.